So then I continue to my work because I'm going back to Rivers to continue on my business because I have a lot of my family members in the Rivers State. At that time, I get money. I struggle in I'm holding 2 years, almost 2 years. Then I get few money. I came back. Then I went to farming. Then my uncle had supported me 3.5 million naira. There's still Bandit still to come back to destroy that money I get. Then I ask myself why I'm not going those bandits because they are my family members. I know them. Why I'm not going them. I get information. I know who's sponsoring them, who give them exactly. Because in the past time, Loco has told me politicians standing behind them. Why I'm not went to them to stay with them like 2 months or 3 months to get information bring to the Nigerian security. At that time, when I showed them the group, they were going to take very serious action if they have been serious about this matter. I decided to do this. I went to them, I visited them, I did some of them. I called them, I said I came back. One that time I went to them, they have been laughing at me. Why your parents put you in school? They have been thinking school. We have told you before, school is scam, school is scam. They don't know my plan. I stay silent, quiet. Then one by one day, I took Dogoji phone. When I took his phone, I entered in his WhatsApp. I'm looking who's his conversation with the people.
Yes.
And I get so many numbers inside. I saw I don't want to mention those people because directly I get so many
We will come to
senior
that. Don't worry.
some of
Don't worry. We'll come to that. Yeah, we'll come to that. The
there are
contacts
so
you saw
many
there. We'll
senior.
come to that. Yeah. We'll come to that.
Then I'm surprised to see so many of them
Yeah.
our own tribe Fulani. Like how in this era this matters. There is no single tribe this insecurity affected more than us because today in Nigeria, whether you are bandit or not, as long as you are Fulani, a lot of people they are seeing you like a bandit.
Yeah.
But inside our heart, we are crying because of them. We are suffering because of them.
Yeah.
People who seeing us as a bad today, those people that have been destroy our civilization bad. I'm surprised to see our seniors, our leaders, not some other tribe, not Hausa or TB or Yoruba or Kanuri, not some of them. Our own brothers still sponsoring that people to steal our cows. Our own brothers, our own leaders, our own Fulani leaders to sponsoring them still to store, to give them weapon ammunition and equipment, to training them, to give them support. They have been using uneducated because of they are not educated. They have been using that opportunity to destroy us. I seen them, then I took a lot of voice notes and I recorded it. I put it inside the memory card, M card.
So you have
Almost 6 months.
you have evidences with you. Evidences.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
After evidence, even their conversation, I put some recording. He don't know because he don't know the phone well. I know phone software information better than him.
Yeah.
I put recording.
Yeah.
Even without me, whatever he said, when I came back, I find it very easy. You don't know. I took the whole recording. So in 2023, then one day, some senator catch me. He catch me to record. He called him. Then I immediately called. We are starting speaking English with him. He said, "Hey, boy." I said, "Good evening, sir. How are you doing?" He said, "He's surprised." He said, "Like, how you speak English?" I said, "He's asking me." He has been asking me, "Have you ever been in school?" Yes, I graduated from secondary school. What about Islamic study? I said, "Yes, I've been done it." He's surprised. Did you know what happened? Later, he told the leaders of Bandit. He said, "No, this boy is spy." You know spy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he told that leader. He told that Dogo. He said, "Dogo, don't trust this boy. This boy is spy. Don't believe him." He said, "No. Even his parents, our parents and his parents, they are growing together. We know each other. Not this era. More than 100 years we are together. So nothing happened." He said, "No, that boy, he has education. He can never support you. He will destroy what our clan. He will destroy you, he will destroy me." please kill this boy. He give them order to kill me.
That is,
But
the politician gave them order to unalive you
yeah, that time.
because
So I don't know what's going on.
he
Among
feels
them,
threatened. The politician feels
yeah,
threatened by your education, like your exposure.
yeah. Because he told them something. He said, whoever went to the
Went to
school,
school,
they
yeah.
will never come back to and support you, and then continue working with you. Understand? So this boy, you have to immediately you have to take action about him. So his brother still, Togo, his brother, his junior brother, is my friend. We have been growing together since we was our children's time.
Mm.
And then that boy he asking me, what do you did to us? My uncle is trying to unalive me. I said, what happened? He told me everything. Then I was moving past, I'm running. You understand?
Mm.
After I'm running, then Nigerian security has been arrested me in Kaduna State. On my way to come back, the whole information I get inside my here. I put it inside here. I don't know how can I put it inside my trouser.
Okay.
MCAT.
Okay, you put it
Because
inside the memory card and you hid it
I
inside your
have it.
trouser.
At that time, I have the video. They will bring information, ammunition and guns. I took the video.
You
I
record
put
them.
the
You
video.
videoed them. You videoed them when they were
Yeah,
giving them.
video them.
When they were giving.
I
When these
videoed them.
politicians were handing this thing to them, guns to them.
Yeah, I videoed them all entirely. You understand? So I videoed their own voice note between him and our politicians, leaders, and some of the leaders of Mieti Allah, our own brothers. I'm coming. You understand? So I videoed them, then I have recording about them. On my way, I was arrested. After they had been arrested me, they put me in jail. In Kaduna State 2023, they was arrested me. Let me give you exactly the address. Whoever don't believe me, go and ask that security checkpoint. You understand? There have been no indices is happening at that time, 2023. I was arrested in June. You understand? Between Kaduna to Buruku. Inside checkpoint, inside car.
Kaduna to where?
Me,
Kaduna to where?
so at that time,
Kaduna to where? Between Kaduna to where?
Kaduna to Buruku.
Okay, Buruku. Okay.
Buruku.
Go on.
They bring me to police station. Immediately, that Nigerian army has been arrested me. They're asking me, I don't even give them, I'm trying to give them the whole information. Then I decided this is wrong. Because when I give them this, they will still using that opportunity to get another opportunity again, to get money. I don't believe them. Then I keep it in my mind. They beat me, they punish me a lot. I'm suffering a lot. They took me into the police headquarters, Kaduna. After they put me inside jail, but that time, brother, I can't explain to you because I'm suffering a lot. I almost died. They keep me one week without eating, without anything, until I almost died. Then they will remove my trouser because they will remove my clothes. They change it. I don't know. They took me into the hospital in police headquarters. They took me to the hospital, and then later they will bring me back. Then after a few days, I saw myself and my clothes. They have been changing my clothes. Then I was surprised. I don't even tell them everything. They're asking me what's going on, what bringing you this here, this place you are bandit. I said, I'm not a bandit. Because that time they have been asking me, are you a Fulani? If I have identified myself as a Fulani, without anything, they're going to punish me.
Yeah.
Brother, they don't want the truth. They just only want, I am Fulani. But inside my heart, I will never support any violence or criminal acts. I have in my heart, I have humanity.
Okay.
You understand? You understand?
Yeah, so I understand.
I decided to keep it silent in my heart.
So let me get you. Hold on. Let me get you clear. Did they arrest you because did they arrest you because the politician asked them to arrest you, or they arrest you because they suspected that you are a bandit?
Yeah, they have been arrested me inside checkpoint. They're asking me, are you a Fulani? If I'm Fulani, they are meaning
So
I'm a bandit because
okay, so they suspected that you were a bandit. So that was why they
yeah.
arrested you. Okay.
So after 6 months, they identify I'm not a bandit. Then court, they put me in jail, prison, Kaduna prison, almost 4 months, I think. So after then, court has discharging that case. They say this boy is innocent. After when I came out, I lost the whole that evidence. Then I tried, now how can I get this evidence? When I going back to that, my people, I couldn't get it. They will kill. They were going to kill me. Then when I come out, when I went to this, when I tell someone I don't have evidence, I'm lying. Let me stay quiet. Then I'm decided something. I get some senator number. I memorize some senator number inside that leader. His name is Double. Inside his phone, I took one number. I memorized his number. And someone he's senior ops. He has the biggest position in Nigeria. Still, he's active. His position
Like
is
the senator.
higher than anyone.
The senator, he has the biggest position in Nigeria.
After senator, he has a godfather. He holding the highest position in Nigeria. But
And he's still
both
active.
of them,
He's still active today.
Both of them, they still active. And then all of them, they are our brothers. They are Fulani. You understand? I called that senator immediately when he saw the message. I wrote the message. I sent him. I say I'm the one who you give the order him to kill him. I'm still alive. He calling me. He think the fall. I'm still alive. Oh my God. Then he invited me to Abuja. I said no, I don't believe you again. Then I started some new option, second option. I show him now. I believe whatever he wants, I can do whatever he wants. Then he invites me to Abuja meeting. He say he want to find me a security appointment, like inside the security appointment. I say I don't want anything concerning security matters because I know the people of this insecurity. 90% of them they came from our tribe, and then who's sponsoring them? All our tribe, and then still who's suffering in this matter? Still our tribe. So you can never do anything. You are the one who's sponsoring them. Then you are the one who did the reform ammunition. You are the one police put them inside prison. You are the one who went to the prison, bring them out. Like how I know everything. You know I know. So I don't want this position. Leave it. Leave me to stay forever alone. He said, no, you want to stay with me in my home? Like I will take care of you like you are my child. So that time I saw new opportunity to get new information because I lost that information before.
Okay.
Then I stay with him.
Okay, so that was how you entered him.
That okay. I plan in. Let me trust this person so that I get new information about what they are.
Okay.
Then I started in 5. They releasing me 4 February 2024 from prison. I went to him. I visited him in 6 January. You understand? So after I went to him almost 2 weeks, at that time he go to America. When he came back, we are staying together. He say you are a good boy, he take care of you. So at that time I saw he bring all those people who stole our cows. I know them, they know me. I don't need anybody to tell me those people who they are. I know them, they are knowing me. When still they came inside Abuja, sometimes they have been moving with escort.
The bandits.
The bandit, they are moving with escort. They went to so many
offices.
Like they are politicians. I'm surprised. Then still among them, there's somebody said, Hassan, if you are joining us before, then now you become a greatest leaders. I said, no, in my life forever, I don't want to be a leader like you. I hope my God take my life as inside the most terrible life better than this life you did. You unalive so many people, you destroy so many people, you make so many people cry, and then still you want somebody to be like you. I will never be like you. You understand? They have been laughing me because they annoy me. We annoy each other. No need anybody to give me information about them. So I saw that senator. He did so many of them. Some of them they have been in prison almost 3 to 2 years. Some of them they have been captured by the battleground. They have been captured. Those senators bring them out. Some of them came to Abuja. When they came to Abuja, they are not coming to Abuja because of some meeting. Oh no, they just only come to went to the hotel to chill in our own money, ransom money. You understand? Then that senator, he accommodated them into hotels like Hilton, because there is somebody, his name is Abubakar. His brother, his name is Kachala Ali Kawaji, his senior brother. You know him. You know his information. Kachala Ali Kawaji, who Nigerian army has killed him.
Yeah, I know when
you understand?
Yeah, I know when they kill him.
So his brother still is leading his group, but his brother, still he's with that senator.
Sorry, brother. Sorry.
You understand?
Sorry.
So I asked him, why you are leading bandit group inside the forest and then you stay in Abuja? He said, Hassan, if you are bandit, you are enjoying your life better than anybody, any of us, because you have educational background, you have I said, no, I don't want it. They are laughing for me. So I asked him myself, what are you gonna do here? He said, they have been showing me their passport. You understand? Sometimes they bring them, they accommodate them hotel, luxury hotel, $300,000, 300,000 naira, 400,000 naira, 500,000 naira. All this money came from the ransom money while those people are adopted our brothers and sisters in, northern, northwest, northeast, northwest.